If you are looking to rank in the People Also Ask section within Google, there's a couple of tips that I can share. So for this query, Bleacher Creature Yankees, Wikipedia ranks first, and then you get immediately these people also ask. If you open up this one, when did the roll call start? This is my site here. So how did the Yankees roll call begin? Stadium Reviews, it's a blog. I'm going to go right to it just to explain this a little bit further. So my primary keyword is Bleacher Creatures. And then what I did for my site is that I went over a bunch of questions on my site. So what is the Yankees roll call? How did it begin? What section are they in, etc. This all came from search analysis. So if you watched the previous video, you would know that search analysis comes up with the topics to cover and the questions to also cover as well. So when I did the search analysis for Bleacher Creatures at Yankee Stadium, one of the questions was, well, when did it begin? So right here, I have it here. So how did the Yankees roll call begin? So that's actually a header question that I have. I have the paragraph right here. So I write about 3 sentences usually whenever I answer a question directly. And then Google looks for that. So how did the Yankees roll call begin? They look for the header tag. They get that text right here, and then they're going to extrapolate that out of my own website and put that into Google. So if I go back and I do that Bleacher Creatures Yankees right here, when did the Yankees roll call start? Again, the Stadium Reviews, they pulled out my entire paragraph right there. One tip as well that I like to do is I like to really make sure I'm answering that question directly right in the beginning of my first paragraph, in that first sentence. So if I ask a question in the header tag, make sure you answer it right away, because Google only shows the first few sentences of a post. So you don't want to ask a question and then take forever to even answer your own question on the text. Just try to answer it directly and give a little more context. It's a great way to rank within the People Also Ask section.